Hello everyone, we'll be looking on example 7. So in this video, we'll be tackling another concept on example 7, but similar case on homogeneous linear ordinary differential equations. So we just be going quick and fast where there's a problem. Maybe let's just engage in the comment section. Sorry. So we are saying for this case, initial step that I had taught was uh, take your guess. Okay, take your guess y equal e raised to mx. Then take your initial derivative, which is e raised to mx m. Okay, then take your second derivative, which will be m squared e raised to mx. Once you have gotten that, substitute whatever you have. So let's substitute that as m squared e raised to mx plus 3 e raised to mx m, okay, plus 2 e raised to mx. I wonder why I keep writing this m to this other side, but it has no offense. So pull out e raised to mx, so it will be e raised to mx into m squared plus 3m. Okay, sorry, my 3 is not okay, so it is 3m plus 2, okay, equals 0. So my auxiliary equation will be m squared plus 3m plus 2 equals 0. If I take the quadratic equation, so it will be m equal minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided that by 2a. Okay, so it will be minus 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is my b squared, it will be 9, okay, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by my value of c2. Okay, so it will I'll divide all this term by 2, so I'll get minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 will be 1, so the square root of 1 is 1, so it will be 1 divided by 2. So I'll get the two values of m1 to be either negative 4 divided by 2 or m2 to be negative 2 divided by 2. So if I simplify this, I'll get negative 2. If I simplify this, I'll get negative 1. Okay. Now, once we have that, we can check. The roots are not similar, so it will be the first case. So remember, so it will be yx should equal c1 e raised to negative x, okay, plus c2 e raised to negative 2x. So that's my answer. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and have a lovely day.